Hi everyone, welcome back to Onyoma Garden Explorer. Yay! So today I'm taking you through the full journey of growing cucumbers, from planting the seeds to harvesting fresh, crunchy cucumbers straight from the garden. I believe cucumbers are like the easiest, vegetables to plant, just like tomatoes. So I started them by planting them in rich, well-draining soil, put them in a sunny spot, on my kitchen sill, windowsill. And cucumbers love warmth, so keeping the soil moist while avoiding overwatering help them to get off to a great start. And after a few days, the seedlings will begin to emerge, and it was actually exciting to watch them grow stronger every week. As the vines got longer, I had to support them with Trellis, and that's the iron thingy I was building in the previous clip. So this keeps the plants healthy, improves airflow, it saves you space and makes harvesting much easier. And before you know it, look at those beautiful yellow flowers that start appearing, and those flowers will turn into tiny cucumbers. And with regular watering and feeding, they grew quickly into full-size fruits. Very, very beautiful looking. Look at that very tiny one. Yeah, they grow very, very fast. I often check the soil if it's too dry. And one thing, cucumbers love water, so I had to keep watering them. Like I do daily watering every day, morning and evening, to keep them growing well and healthy. You also need to feed your cucumbers weekly with a high potash fertilizer once they start flowering for a bigger, healthier harvest. Now comes the most rewarding part, harvesting. Yes, harvesting. I like to pick my cucumbers while they're still firm, green, and tender. Harvesting regularly encourages the plants to, keep producing even more cucumbers throughout the season. If you stop harvesting, then it makes your cucumbers dormant. They just put their energy into more foliage instead of fruit itself. I also did some companion planting with marigolds, which I am currently showing in this clip. I noticed the other cucumbers I planted on the other side had marigolds with them, and leaves were quite greener than this ones. So I bought some marigolds, planted it with this particular cucumbers I'm showing in this clip, and they grew very, very well. You need to keep supporting the vines as the cucumbers keep growing. Like, it helps to encourage growth. Keep supporting the vines. They love to climb a lot. Loads and loads of climb. Growing cucumbers has been such a rewarding experience, and there's nothing quite like eating fresh vegetables you've grown yourself. Very good looking ones, healthy, the best, to be very honest, the best. So if you enjoyed following this growing journey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more gardening tips, harvest, and garden updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gardening. Bye.